Hello guys, welcome to the Koli Yuntha. So in this video we're going to see how to combine data frames using the merge method. So merge works the same way as join works in relational database. If you have worked on SQL and all, so you will be knowing that there is some left join, inner join, and other kinds of join. So merge works the same way. So suppose we have two data frames. Okay, let's call data frame 1 and we will create a data frame 1. So first let's import pandas pd. So data frame 1 will be our, suppose we are creating one data frame, and let's call name, let's call id. Okay, and let's give some unique IDs here like 1 2 5 1 2 4 6. Second will be name. We are creating a data frame with two columns, id and name. So name will be May, Julie, let's name something else, May, Jean, Wolverine, and one more will be Professor X. Okay, so this is our first data frame. Let's create another data frame called as data frame 2. So it will be pd dot data frame, and let's pass here id. Let's pass id as 1 3 6 5 and corresponding ages. Okay, let's pass their age as, first will be, suppose it is 23, 45, 56, 78. Okay, so this is our data frame 2. So what we want is, we want to create a relation between data frame 1 and data frame 2. How we are going to do it? So we will be doing it using merge. So let's start. So we will do pd dot merge merge, then we will pass the data frames that we want to merge. Okay, so we are going to merge data frame 1, data frame 2. How we are going to merge? What we will kind of join? Suppose we want to join inner, so it will be inner merge. Then on which column we want to join? Suppose on which column we want to join. So here I am going to join on id, so I will write it as id. Okay, let's enter. So you got to, correct? One here matching columns are how much? 1 3 6 5 1 2 4 6. So here matching columns are, matching IDs are 1 and 6, right? So we got, right, id, name and age, correct? So this is kind of inner join. Wherever records from both of the data frame match, we will get only those records. So here only 1 and 6 match, so we got 6 records. Suppose we did left join. Let's see how left join works for here. So what left join does is, it will go and fetch all records from left join and the matching records from second data frame. So it will go and fetch all of the records from left data frame, first data frame, and it's matching that records from second data frame. Let's run it. So what we got? We got all 1 2 4 6, and wherever these things match, see, for Jean there is no record in second data frame, so we got none. For Wolverine there is no records in data frame, so we got none. So only 1 and 6 were matching here, so we got records of 1 and 6 from second data frame. For others we got NN. Suppose we want to do outer. So outer, what does outer does is, okay, let's see if outer does it. It will be more clear if I show you. So what does outer does? Outer will go and pick all of the records from data frame 1 and data frame 2, and if wherever the records are not present in either of the data frame, it will put none here, correct? See, it took 1 2 4 6 3 5, it brought all of this IDs, right? But all of the records are not present. Suppose 3 and 5 is not present in 3 and 5 is not present in, I think, yeah, 3 and 5 is not present in first data frame, so it printed only null, and 2 and 4 is not present in data frame 2, so it printed null. So this kind of joins work the same way as we have used in our SQL joins. So yeah, so and suppose if we want to join on two columns, but we can't join here on two columns, right? So what we can do is we will add one more column in data frame 1, and let's call it as id2, and we are passing by default id as 23. Okay, no, uh, what we can call it is as a species. Okay, so they're all x-men. I will pass all is at x-men. Okay, and same I will pass it in data frame 2 also, species, and its species will be x-men. So if we see data frame 1, so we have got one more column, species by default value is x-men, and same we do on data frame 2, default value is x-men. Now let's do a join on data frame 1 and data frame 2 on two columns. So what we're going to do, we will pass column 1 and column 2 as species. So we are joining using two columns. So we can do a merge on multiple columns too using this pandas.merge method. So yeah, that's all guys. In next video we will see some more functionalities of pandas. See you.